Hello there everyone! Today's video I will show you how to get any face on Roblox for completely free. Yes, you heard it right. It is possible. And I will show you in this video how to get any face for free, even limited ones. But before that, watch this super short ad if you want free Robux.
If you want free Robux, check out this website. This website doesn't require your password or any personal information, which is so cool. 1 point is equal to 1 Robux, and to earn points, all you need to do is complete tasks of your choice. For extra points or Robux, you can join their giveaways and complete daily tasks. I've cashed out a lot of Robux from this website. The link to the website is in the description, so make sure to check it out.
Now let's start the tutorial. Go to Roblox first and go to your avatar. Click the 3 lines and select avatar. Wait for it to load and then go to head and body and select classic faces. Remove any face you're wearing. As you can see, I don't have any limited or expensive faces, so let me show you how to get any Roblox face you want, even cheap or limited faces. To get any face on Roblox for free, go to Marketplace first. Don't worry, we're not buying anything here. Go to classic faces if you want to search up for more faces, but if you want a specific face like super happy face, just go straight to search bar and search for it. These faces cost Robux, but later on, we will make everything free. I don't want any faces like these because I really want the super happy face, so I'm gonna search for it. Click on the face you want. This face is very expensive and I don't want to spend any Robux because I obviously don't have much, so here's how to get this for free. Click on the face you want and save it as image, but make sure that it's set to PG or transparent. You can name it face if you want. Put it in a folder or in your downloads so that you can easily find it. I set the file name to face.png. Now save it. Now that we're done saving the face as transparent image, you can find it in your folder or downloads or anywhere you put it. I like putting it on downloads, by the way. Next thing you have to do is go to Windows search bar and search for Roblox Player. Here's the Roblox Player. Right-click on it and open File Location. Right-click this again and open File Location. Go to Content and Textures folders. Now find the face. Once you've found it, go to Windows search bar again and type in File Explorer. Go to the place or folder where you saved the transparent face image. Move this over. Now drag the face you want to the normal face of Roblox and choose the Replace the File option. Now that we're finally done, let's play a Roblox game to see if it worked. By the way, you can choose any face you want. I just chose the super happy face because I really like it. This works in any Roblox games, so don't worry that it might only work in selected games. And yay, it worked, of course. You can do this method in any face you want, so that basically means you can wear any Roblox face for free when they are limited, out of stock, or costs Robux. Let me know in the comments what tutorial I should post next. Thanks for watching.